Hi guys, my name is Chaoyuan Liu. You may call me Toby. My major is undecided, but I'm going to major in HRTM. This is my first year here. I hope that I can learn how to become an effective leader through taking this course. I believe this course will show me many updated knowledge and theories about leadership. It will also offer me on-hand practice so that I can integrate theoretical knowledge into practice. One interesting concept that I found in the reading is the four-part model to learn to think critically. This requires us to first explicitly learn the skills of critical thinking, then develop a disposition for effortful think and learning. This guided me to build my critical thinking. Actually, I have no real working experience, but I hope that I can become a good leader in the field of hotel management. I may start my first internship this semester or next semester. One interesting thing about me is that I think I'm both extrovert and introvert. Sometimes with my close friends, I'm very talkative. I enjoy sharing and listening. This means that I think I'm extrovert from this sense. But for people who I just come across and who I just know, I'm not willing to share and talk too much. This shows that I'm an introvert person. Thank you very much.